We live in a system that was never designed to be in our favor. We live in a system that is against us. And everything that's created out of it, that's made out of it, it's really not for our benefit. We should understand that. For example, we have this problem, black men and women, saying black men have not been there, which is true. We have to understand that we both have failed each other. Yes, black men has not been there, but if we go back to like years, like decades ago, and do our research, then we will see why certain program was created to snatch the black men out of the home. We need to understand why we have a justice system where all our brothers are in jail. It's not for no reason, because all these things add up to where we are today. And we fighting at each other as if we are each other's issue, but we are not. What we need to do, we need to be mature enough, use our common sense, and see exactly where the problem comes from. And on top of that, we cannot blame each other, because both of you, black women and black men, have been groomed by Hollywood, by the entertainment industry. Have you guys see how you guys behave, how you guys act, how you guys